Hello everybody.
Hi, Dr. Nick.
Well, I have been working on the car, and I've listened to what everyone's saying in the comments. I am going to order a smaller car because I do agree that this car's too big for the track. I'm still going to continue with the build, obviously, and try to use it out there. But I will be getting a smaller car, probably maybe a couple of small cars. We'll see. I listened to what everyone said. I raised the body up, as someone said in the comments. Lifted the posts up, one, so that'll give me a bit more body clearance. I've put a light kit in there. So now we've got lights, front and back. So that's pretty cool. I did put a sound kit inside the car, but the sound that sounded like a WRX was too muffled. Like, it was really muffled, and to hear it over the car when the transmission's moving, you couldn't really, it just didn't sound great. And even when the car was sitting at idle, it just didn't sound great. So I've found a sound on this kit, and this is the GT Power sound kit, if anyone wants to know. It's the cheaper range sort of kit, sound kit. It's just a plug and play, pre-programmed sounds in there. They're good for crawlers because I've got them all in my crawlers, and they're good for that because you're going so slow, you don't really hear the engine whine, the motor and transmission whining on those sort of cars. So they're good for that. So this will just go back inside one of my crawlers, but I opted out of it just because it just was, I figured, kind of pointless in the end anyway. It was cool when the car was sitting there just on idle, and it would just sit there with engine noise. But like I said, I couldn't find one that was sounding like a WRX that was loud enough anyway. So meh to that. So I just ended up routing the wires around for the light kit and taping them down with some Gorilla Tape. I'm going to shoe glue this body anyway to stiffen it up, and all the light kit will be trapped underneath it, sealed in. Once I get the cockpit inside, it'll hide all those wires inside there, so it should look pretty good. The car I ordered, or will be ordering, I'll just show you next week when it gets here. That's how I'm going to do it. I'm not going to tell you what it is. You just have to wait and see. But judging by the comments on the other videos, you might have already figured it out. There's only a couple of cars that are in the smaller scale that are worthy of getting anyway. So anyway, I'm going to take this out the front in a sec and give it a drive outside because it's dark and I want to see what the lights are like. So I'll take it outside and we'll do that now. Looking pretty cool though. This is a pretty sick car though. So I still think it'll work out on the track, but yeah, we'll see how we go. All right. Oof. Oh, that's cold. Okay, there's 4 LEDs, they're not super bright. Wanted to give you a quick update on the car to show you that I'm putting the light kit in, and I'm just waiting on that interior, and that's probably all I'm going to do to this car. I'm just going to use it basically, and we'll sort out another car and other cars to use on the racetrack, and I'll continue to build on the track, get that all finished up and start that. More videos on that coming, so yep, keep the subscribing coming, keep the likes coming, keep watching. Alright guys, thanks very much, peace out.